From the depths of the abyss, where shadows dance and the earth trembles beneath obsidian steel, comes a warrior of unmatched discipline and unyielding will. For centuries, he has sought only conquest. But today, the fires of war are replaced by the gentle warmth of a preheated convection oven. The battlefield fades. Behold the new domain of the Dread Lord. A pristine, sun-drenched modern kitchen smelling faintly of vanilla and conquest. A champion must adapt. The weight of the broadsword is exchanged for the delicate balance of the whisk. The quest for fluffiness has begun. First, the ritual of the white powder. Every grain of flour must be sifted with the precision of a master strategist planning a siege. Observe the focus. Even through the cold steel of his visor, one can feel the intensity of 1,000 burning suns directed at this batter. The batter must be smooth. No lumps shall survive the wrath of the dark night. Fold the mixture gently, as if handling a dragon's egg. The oven beckons, a portal of heat where soft dough is forged into the legendary sponge of destiny. Timing is everything in the kitchen. Now the true test of a warrior's hand. Frosting, a substance more volatile than liquid fire, requiring the steadiest grip in the realm. Carefully, slowly, each swirl is a testament to his patience. A knight who can conquer his own heavy-handed nature can conquer the world. Behold the detail. The pink cream clings to the cake like the morning mist clings to the peaks of the Iron Mountains. But a masterpiece is not complete without its crown. The final artifact must be placed with the grace of a falling leaf. Precision, the feline sentinel stands guard over the sugary fortress. Not even the armies of the light could displace such a perfect topper. Now, we summon the stardust. Let the glitter rain down like the shimmering souls of defeated foes, adding the final touch of majesty. See how it sparkles against the dark matte steel. A contrast of doom and delight, of shadows and sprinkles. Truly, a sight to behold. Step back, warrior. Survey the field of your labor. The chaos of flour and sugar is but a small price for such a victory. The masterpiece is finished. A sugary monument to patience and power. It is almost a shame to consume such a magnificent creation. Look upon his helmet. Do you see the pride? The silent satisfaction of a job well done. This is the true face of a baker, but every victory must be celebrated. In the traditions of the old world, we shall partake in the beverage of the refined. Even a dark knight enjoys a nice afternoon tea. Sugar, spice, and a heart forged in the coldest reaches of the void. So remember, when the world is dark and full of terrors, there is always time for cake. Sweet, pink, fluffy cake. Go forth and bake mortal. Channel your inner shadow and create something delicious. For the glory of the kitchen. Victory has never tasted so sweet. Until we meet again, may your crusts be flaky and your spirits be dark.